Hey, welcome back to the garage, everyone. Today, we're going to finally fix our old AC blower in the 300 SD. So stick around. It's going to be good. What'd you find out?
Nothing just yet. Just playing a hunch.
Playing a hunch?
Nope.
Squeaky, squeaky, squeaky.
Yeah, there is a little bit of play up on that.
Play in the bearing?
So you're afraid if you try to get this squirrel cage off, it'll...
I'll be honest with you, I've never tried it. I suppose...
I mean, I can see where the risk is. I mean, it's, what, just
yeah,
plastic?
It's,
and
yeah,
what are you pushing against?
It's 38-year-old plastic. What do you do? I'm sure it's just simply pressed on there. Of course, there's always a squirrel cage from the El Cheapo that I bought. It's over there in the box.
Can I see it?
Yeah.
These brushes aren't long for this world either. They're about down to the nubs.
There's a piece of the plastic from the flange that broke off.
Like this plastic here that broke
Yeah,
off?
this right there, yeah. See, it's got a... one of the screws goes through that. Which they went through a lot of trouble to put this into the box, and the blower just sits on that. Now, I assumed this was for packing and not to be used for the installation. Because this doesn't, you know, that doesn't match anything by any stretch of the imagination. Other way.
Oh. So do you...
Do I what?
Do we...
Oh yeah, if we could put the old cover on the new motor, yeah. That'd be great. That's a great idea.
So the new motor has 2 screws. The old one has 1.
I don't know. It's a good question.
This one was here.
Where was the screw at? That hole right there?
Right there.
And
I kind
then
of wonder, is that just an empty hole there?
Yeah,
so that one, it just never had 2
it
screws
just
in
never
it,
had.
but it could have.
Yep. Yeah, just full of dirt.
So this one...
I see where you're going. Handle it. Knock yourself out.
So do you got a piece of...
What do you need?
I don't know, something where I could like lay it on here. I can't get those aligned precisely, so I'd like just a piece.
Are you going to drill it?
Maybe a piece of paper.
Are you going to drill it?
Yeah, I'd drill it in there. I just
do we need to? Is the hole placed properly?
Well, that one is, but you only have 1.
Can we not just use the 1 screw and call it a day?
If you want to.
Yeah, let's just do that.
So what was broken on this one? Or?
On this one?
Yeah.
This right here. This flange. Right here.
Oh, right there.
One of the screws goes.
Okay.
The screw goes through that.
And you say they didn't line up?
And the new shell really is not made all that well, and it doesn't line up with the car.
Okay.
So at this point, this screw's only purpose in life is to line that up with the motor, I guess, for the connectors. I'm assuming the springs came out of the old motor.
Yeah. Those were in the brushes. I was
Okay.
just making. I wasn't sure if the brushes was what's causing
Yeah.
the squeaking.
There's a bearing in there somewhere. Or maybe it's a babbitt.
Why does that seem like it's?
Use the other screw. Or cross thread it. That's always good.
I don't know if that's.
Is the screw trash? Or is it self-tapping?
It might be self-tap. Maybe it was in there before. I don't know if that one was. Maybe this one was.
Or they both have color on them?
Yeah. I don't know.
Are the colors match?
Let's go in.
Okay.
So I had pushed that in
Would
just a little bit,
Yeah.
you know, to get it to clear.
Yep.
I think that's good enough.
Yeah, what about that other one that got bent back?
That was on the old
Oh,
one.
that-
to get it
duh.
out. I didn't have to bend that one.
Oh, so you're telling me this has got a design upgrade that works better?
I am not going to speak to whether or not this will work better,
Yeah.
but
It doesn't squeak.
put it back in.
All right, that just goes to show you, folks, sometimes you need a little bit of help from an expert. We're going to put this in the car, and we'll be back on the road just shortly. All right, we've got the blower motor reinstalled. Basically what we have is a Chinese aftermarket blower coupled with the Mercedes cover, because the Chinese blower housing had two problems. It broke in the mail, and it never fit properly to begin with. So we combined the Mercedes housing with the Chinese blower, and voila, there you go. We have a nice new blower that does not squeak. There she is on high, and there you go. All right, folks, that's all for now. We finally eliminated the squeak from our blower motor and our 300 SD. I appreciate you guys stopping by the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you'd like to be notified whenever I release a new video and invite an expert to come help in the garage, then don't forget to click that little bell down below. You guys know where it is. You guys have a good one, and remember to stay cool in your classic Mercedes.